covering a technique on how to get out of a very unfriendly handshake. So from here, first off, we're gonna shake hands. From here, it's getting a bit uncomfortable. He's not letting go. I'm trying to pull back. So this is what I'm gonna do. My other hand is going to push strongly and explosively against his wrist, while my right hand is going to pull out very fast. So from here, slow it down. From here, my free hand is going to push towards the wrist, and from my other hand, my right hand is going to pull out. Okay. From here, shake hands. Alright, for the second technique we're going to be covering is when someone grabs your wrist, but in a scenario of as you're trying to walk away or pull away, and they grab the inside of your hand. So from here, first thing we're going to do is to twist our hand, the blade of our forearm, towards the weakest point of the attacker's hand, which is where their fingers meet. So from here, I'm going to twist my hand. My free hand is going to grab my other hand, and I'm just going to pull really hard towards his finger. One more time. Here, it's grabbing my wrist. I turn my blade of my forearm towards the fingers. Connect my arms and pull. Alright, for our third technique, this is going to be a crossed hand grip. The scenario would usually be as I turn away to walk, the attacker grabs me from behind. So from here, cross hand grip. Same thing, the weakest point is where the fingers meet. So what we're going to do is, we're going to twist the blade of the forearm towards where the fingers meet. So we're going to go anti-clockwise, and use the right hand. Anti-clockwise, hands are going to meet. We make sure to grab a whole hand and not interlace our fingers to prevent breakage. If we interlace our fingers, we have a risk of breaking our own fingers. Here, this is stronger as well, and we're going to pull. Same as before. Here, time. From here, twist, grab, and pull. Fourth thing today. So what we're going to be doing is a back fall or a back roll. This is something we use to protect ourselves when someone pushes us from the front, or if someone pulls us behind. We have a few keynotes. One is always tuck in your chin or look at your belly button, whichever cue works for you. Secondly, what we're going to do is we're going to keep our hands kind of inside. Do not ever land with your wrist or your hand on the ground, because you may sprain or break your wrist. So hit them here. Third one, as we go down, push. We're just gonna follow, step, and sit. And roll and up. This is to prevent our heads from hitting the ground and hurting ourselves. Alright, our last technique or movement for the day is a forward fall, used when someone pushes us from the back, or even if someone pulls us from the front and we trip. So keynote, exactly the same thing, chin tucked in or look at your belly button. Second, our hands are going to be right in front of us, so we make sure that it's protecting our face. So just right here, not too wide, not too close, just right in front of our face. Now from here, he's going to push. As he pushes, I'm going to step one leg forward, knee down, and fall forward. Next note is, whenever we fall, it's always our entire forearm. We do not land with our hands on the ground like this. Again, you're risking spraining or breaking your wrist as you fall. So again, from here it's going to push. I'm going to step forward, knee down, and fall forward, protecting my face and everything else. So I hope you guys enjoy all these videos that you seen in these techniques that you have before? If you have, I hope to see you guys for the next workshop that we might be having. See you guys soon.